Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Paige. Today I wanted to share with you a super quick and easy coffee recipe for those really busy mornings, whether you're getting out of the house for work or you just have littles and you don't have a lot of time to dedicate to making your coffee. Or like me this morning, we are on our way to church, and so I have very limited time to make a coffee. Also, if you guys didn't know, I don't think I've shared it on here, but I've been having a little bit of a health situation going on the last month or so, and so I've really cut out all refined sugar and anything high fat. Yeah, I haven't been able to eat a whole lot. So this particular coffee recipe is 0 sugar and it's also high protein. So I'm really excited to share this with you for those days where, once again, you want high protein, 0 sugar, but you still want it to taste yummy and you gotta get out of the house quick. So what made me eager to give this protein coffee a try is the advertising around how quick and easy it is to make. I've made other protein coffees in the past and I do like them. However, in order to get the right texture and consistency, I've always had to pull out the blender, put the protein powder with the milk, put the ice in, and really do that whole process. But when you're trying to do something quick and easy in the morning, not having to pull out the blender is really nice. So I was excited to know that this one, all you need to do is shake it, or you can use a frother, and that's what I did. I did 8 ounces of almond milk with 1 scoop of the protein coffee, which is 10 grams of protein, which is really, really good. And it also has no sugar, no stevia. It has real coffee in it, which is obviously awesome. And it took me just a minute or so to actually make. I did go ahead and add the pumpkin cold foam that I had previously made. So the cold foam is something that you can make on the weekend or at the beginning of the week and then have it throughout the week. That's a great addition if you like to customize your drink at all. All right, I'm going to add a little bit of the pumpkin cold foam and see how that is on top. So I've been just storing it in a mason jar. I'm just gonna mix it by hand first. Just gonna do a tiny bit of the pumpkin cold foam. I wouldn't think to mix pumpkin with caramel, so I don't know if it's gonna be any good. But Javvy does have a pumpkin flavor for the fall, so if you just want to grab that, then you could just have it on its own. All right, let's give this a try with the pumpkin cold foam on top. Okay, personally, that is the way to make it. Okay, so I really like the caramel with the pumpkin cold foam on top. It's my preferred way to drink it. I'm actually really interested in trying the mocha flavor. I also think I'd really like just the plain coffee flavor, because then you can add whatever flavor cold foam you want on top. Okay, so my conclusions after I've been drinking this all morning is something that I noticed about this particular protein coffee is that normally, even with regular coffee, you have ice in your cup, your ice melts if you don't drink it fast enough, and then it dilutes your coffee flavor. This, I did not find it did that at all. Obviously, being a mom and take care of a little baby, most of the time, whether it's iced or hot, my coffee doesn't get drank in a timely manner, and so usually it ends up being diluted, watered down, and tasting gross, and then I end up not even wanting to finish it. So I really like that this doesn't get a diluted taste to it. It still tastes just as full flavor as it did when I started this morning. The other thing I really like about this particular protein coffee is it doesn't break up throughout the day. So a lot of protein coffees that I've tried in the past, when you either froth it before you blend it. If you let it sit, or even if you just shake it with water, if you let it sit for a while, you'll start to see a separation between the powder and the liquid. This one does not do that, and I love that you can use it with water or milk. You guys saw I used almond milk because I am not having dairy right now, and it tastes really, really good. I'm sure it tastes great with other types of milk as well. And if you guys are interested in trying Javvy, I will have a link down below as well as here on the screen where you can get 20% off your first order. And feel free to tag me over on Instagram so I can see you actually giving it a try. I'd love to know what flavor you would choose. There's so many different options, so make sure you go check out and see what flavor would suit you best if you do give it a try. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you give it a try, once again, let me know in the comments down below and over on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next one.